Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Ekta and if you are new here then welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you 3 DIY face masks. These face masks are really good for tanned skin. You can also get that glow that you want using these face masks. These are really homemade, completely natural, and you don't have to get any product outside from your kitchen or your fridge. So these face masks are not only for girls or women but also for men and smaller children, because everyone needs a healthy and glowing skin, and to remove that tan, this is the perfect face mask. These face masks do not require many products. These are either 1, 2 or 3 ingredient face mask, and these ingredients are completely natural without any side effects, so you can definitely try these face masks every week. So let's get started. The first face mask is not actually a mask but just one tomato that will be used as a mask. You just need a part of a juicy tomato and start rubbing it onto your skin. Now tomatoes are really good for your skin as they contain a lot of antioxidants and vitamin C, which will help to remove suntan. So if you have suntan in the summer, just do this weekly to get rid of it. This will also help to reduce open pores. This will help with uneven skin tone, signs of aging. It will reduce oiliness in your skin, and at the end it will give you a beautiful glow with soft and supple skin. If you want, you can just keep the tomato in fridge for 15 minutes before using this, and if you use this after that, it will make you feel more cool and relaxed. So rub it onto your face for 5 to 10 minutes nicely all over your face, and after that just leave it onto it for 5 to 10 minutes and then wash it off with normal water. After washing, your face will feel really smooth and relaxed and soft and glowy. For the second face mask, you just need 2 ingredients, that is yogurt and honey. Take just 1 tablespoon of yogurt. I have taken a little extra here, and put half tablespoon of honey in it and mix it well together and apply it all over your face. Now yogurt and honey both are natural skin moisturizers, so if your skin is really dry, this is the weekly face mask that you need to apply forever. Like, this is really going to help you moisturize your skin really well. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which exfoliates dead skin cells. It is a natural chemical exfoliant, and this will also brighten up your skin. It also contains probiotics, which will heal your blemishes and give you a soft and glowing skin. Honey, on the other hand, has very good hydrating properties. It is full of antioxidants and antimicrobial properties, which will help to prevent acne and other skin problems and moisturize your skin and give you that good glow. So apply this face pack onto your face and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off with normal water. After applying this face pack, your skin will feel really soft and smooth and glowy because of all those lactic acid, and you will love your skin. And here comes our last face mask. For this you need a tablespoon of besan or gram flour. In that, add a pinch of turmeric, not too much or it will make your face appear yellow, and a tablespoon of yogurt, and mix it all well together. If you want, you can increase the quantity of yogurt to get a paste like this, and your face mask is ready to be applied. Apply it on your face using a brush or your fingers and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off. If you want, you can even massage your face a little before washing. The main ingredient in this face pack is besan, also known as gram flour, and it is a natural scrub. It is a very good scrub which will help to remove any dead skin cell that you have onto your skin. And as I already told you before, curd contains lactic acid, which will help to moisturize your skin and give you that glow. Turmeric is really good antioxidant. It has anti-inflammatory properties and it will give your face a very good glow and luster. It will brighten up your skin. This face mask altogether will help you to get rid of acne, suntan. It will get rid of the dead skin cells that you have. It will remove oiliness in your skin and act as a natural scrub. And if you use it weekly, it will also act as an anti-aging mask. So all you have to do is apply, leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off. If you use these face masks weekly, you will see really good results in long term. These are not something like magic or it will just lighten your skin in one go, but it will definitely work over time. So if you found this video interesting, make sure to give it a like. Bye bye, take care.